So we just met this couple, Samantha and Shane, from Jamaica, for sure. So we're gonna find a mural now. Not sure exactly where, but it's gonna be soon. And of course, I'm using the good old cam. We're about to get it right now, though. So yeah. YouTube, we're gonna start this video with the outfit check. We got the watch, the shirt, and the pants, and the shoes. Shoes is new, you know what I mean?
Baby, come on!
Outfit check. Outfit check, you heard?
Happy birthday to you.
Jesus Christ.
I haven't seen frames like this before.
I like him.
I like them too. Bad.
He's sure handsome, baby.
How you like them? This one.
You gonna stop rushing me. This is why you can't take your boyfriend to the mall. Because all they do is, come on, come on, come on.
Too bad music is playing. Copyright. And then I graduated, and then she graduated, and second she graduated.
Cheers.
Yeah. Right. So we just met this couple, Samantha and Shane, from Jamaica, for sure. So we're gonna find a mural now. Not sure exactly where, but it's gonna be soon. And of course, I'm using the good old cam. We're about to get it right now, though. So yeah. I'm dead, baby. They were actually really cool. So they'll definitely.
Very cool, very sweet.
Yeah.
She's a Cancer. He's a Sag.
Yeah. So they were cool. They'll make it.
We're planning to meet up in New York
in July. And you're going to Japan.
I'm going to Japan. I'm going to Georgia. I'm going to New Jersey. I'm going to.
She's going to Jersey. She's going to Jersey to meet my family, so that'll be cool. Yeah, Charlotte is cool. I like Charlotte.
Can we move back?
Can we move back? No. Not yet. Not yet. Soon, but not yet. Viral. She wanna go viral. She trying to go viral.
Swear you didn't do it.
Off a fake video?
Swear you didn't do it.
I swear I ain't do it.
You're going to hell.
How am I going to hell?
You're going to hell.
You're lying on me.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we are
black
and proud.
I'm dead. Did you just put the fist up? Holy shit, what is going on? We just toured an apartment. And it was horrible.
It was so bad.
It was horrible.
So I made this little comprehensive spreadsheet of all.
Put it down. People just say we made a spreadsheet. I'll blur it out.
I can't do it a little quick.
Nah. We made a spreadsheet.
No.
Like this.
I made a spreadsheet of 21 apartments that I looked at over the last week. Options for us to go see. Yeah. We went to go see one this morning. It was a complete dub. They didn't have what we wanted to begin with. So we went to see the first one. They didn't have what we wanted. And the one that they did have, whoever lived there before it had a cat.
And smoked hella cigarettes.
And it was just like, needs new carpet.
Needs new everything. Niece knew everything. That was trash. I did not expect that at all. She was like, oh yeah, there's not renovated and this is renovated. We saw renovated. The whole time I was thinking, I wonder what unrenovated looked like.
Yeah. So that was that. Now we're going to see the next one. I scheduled us 5 to see today. And maybe if they go quick enough, we can pick up and see a little more.
Yeah.
Because I don't think we really have anything else to do.
Apologies, we had no B-roll for that. I wouldn't even show y'all that because it was that bad.
It was bad.
It was bad.
All right, on to the next. We're going to get a smoothie.
Yeah.
Cheers.
And then we'll see y'all when we get back. You heard? Happened. I mean, I don't want to vlog today. I really don't.
You don't want to what?
I don't want to vlog.
You don't want to what?
So we found one that we like.
This is the second one that we like.
Second one that we like. The first one, we're doing a self tour, so we're able to really see this one by itself.
I don't even see the closet.
This is the model. It's huge. It's huge. 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, luxury apartment. Seeing if we like it or not. There's a balcony. Me again. There's a balcony that opens up to that door. Not sure if we should take it or not, but this is what we're trying to figure out. Location is key. This living room is huge. It's enough room to put a table and everything else. Couch, TV.
Do we want a table?
We might use just this.
No.
Bar stools and just eat, but
We'll figure it out.
maybe like a high table, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Here's the second room. Carpet. This room also has a bathroom. Oh, no, it doesn't. I lied. But this is it. Bathroom will be in here. Wash and dry. Closet. Bathroom. Both of them still at the size. Kind of like how the other one, you know?
Yeah. That's the water heater. This is the second bedroom.
How's the dresser space or storage space compared to this one? Still a big closet.
Yeah.
We
This
two, I
is-
think.
We have 4. There's still 2.
It's 4
out-
closets?
I think there's 2 out here. Or if that might be the other one.
That's 1. 2. This one the same, about the same size.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, babe.
How's the bathroom size?
I think it's okay. Oh, I think I'm thinking of the other one that had the.
I'll try to put you.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say,